What's up, guys? And I'm here with the gang. We got Stinkle Bob and Orange Gorg, and we're gonna unplug the eyeballs life support. Who the nut is that?
What did you just say?
Okay, yeah, we'll get a bag and wait, no, do we need a bag? Yeah, we do. Yeah, they have the robots out now.
Little mini robots. I know, you can control them.
Yes.
I need robots.
Where is the robot?
When you unplug the eyeballs life support, that area. All right, now come on, get these.
No, I have a portal gun.
Oh, well then still take those so then you can get over to the place. Get a bag.
I'm gonna go cave diving.
Pal, get a bag. Get a bag, pal.
Me?
Yes.
What do I need the bag for?
Ah, never mind.
I'm going cave diving.
Let me know.
Wait, someone better have a flashlight. I don't have one.
I do.
Wanna know what that makes you?
Let me know.
Flashlight!
Yo.
I'm right next to it.
Get it happen!
Yo, what the?
Yeah. Just let's get up.
Yo, Gorg is lagging, bro. Oh, here we go.
Where's the deep boy?
Here, take the flashlights. My God, man.
All right, follow me.
Wait, what?
Wrong
they
way.
changed everything.
They updated it. We're cooked. Follow me.
Stop that! I'm daddy!
Shut up.
Get
the light.
Get over here. Wrong way. Wrong way. This way. We need to murder him.
No, I found the way over here. I found the way. Go straight. He already got mad twice.
Nope. Oh crap.
Uh-oh.
We're good.
Chat room
This
done.
way. This way.
Yes, I knew the way. I knew it, guys.
That means, oh crap. That means that they updated like the Stinkle monsters area. No, the meatball men. They are. Ooh, gem.
Start to shine that flashlight in a good direction.
Over here!
What?
Down here!
Yo.
Start shining a light, bro.
Dip up, dip it up ahead. I was the night and shine.
Are you getting beaten up by the clone?
He's touching me! I mean, I do like it.
What? Yo?
Okay, the floor is left. Whoever touches the floor is gay.
What?
The ground fish is gay.
Who touches the ground first is gay? Okay.
Don't help me.
Now he's gonna be gay. I touched the Stinkle monster.
Can they get me? I got stuck.
Oh shoot. Yo, come here.
Kill the monster.
We can't.
You guys are boxing.
No! I can't. Alright, I'm gonna hold on to you for now. Oh, you both are dead.
Did you guys think Bob? No!
Okay. Watch
They're not
this.
tickling me!
Watch this. I'm gonna like slowly get right here and then. Bro.
I hurry.
No, I'm not splashing you. Yo, we splashed! This way!
Wait, where?
Gorg!
Oh no!
No! The Stinkle monster.
Dude, that was the way.
Oh wait, yeah, this is the way. Yo!
Then help me!
What are you doing?
You don't
I just got
How am I gonna get down there?
Slowly climb down.
Yo! Stinkle Bob, why were you hitting me? Oh, go.
Get up! Get up!
This way! This way! This way! This way! Just run straight! Run straight in the water! Oh my gosh.
We both died.
Come here, come here.
Behind you, behind you, behind you.
No, get over here.
Save me!
Do not splash.
Save me!
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Where?
My body's over there.
Shut your freaking mouth. Shut up. Shut your freaking mouth.
I know, I'm crawling. Because if I splash, they're gonna get over here. You're gonna run straight down that hallway. It can't see me. We're not gonna run straight down that hallway. Oh! It can't see me. It can't see me. That's what I'm trying to do! Stop dying! It sees me! No! No! Hold up.
Bro. Uh-oh. Dude, you're done. We're gonna kill you now.
Alright, we need to go again, but this time we know the way, and just don't fall in the water or hit any of the things.
Where's Hunter?
Who's the nice hunter? Who's the nice hunter? Oh!
Is he even here?
Oh, it kicked him out. Oh, he can't jump.
I think I have to leave the entire game.
Well, this is the video, guys. Bye!
That's the only